Namaskar all of you. How are you all? All are fine? Wait a minute, Okay, all of you. Namaskar all. Namaskar everyone. Please join your hands. Close your eyes everyone. Join your hands and close your eyes everyone. And let's speak. Today we are going to speak Pachan Mantra. Today we are going to speak Pachan Mantra. Okay everyone? So let us start. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashrita Prana Prana Samayukta Panchamyam Nam Chaturvidham. Again repeat a slok everyone. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashrita Prana Prana Samayukta Panchamyam Nam Chaturvidham. Rub your palm, touch your eyes and your whole face. Namaskar all of you. I hope you all are happy. All are happy and healthy, right? Namaskar everyone. All are doing practice to decorate the दिया डेकोरेशन की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो सब लोग? यस है ना? वेरी गुड. अच्छे से करना. हाँ. And please take a help of your parents, okay? Because we have competition on the Wednesday, so be ready for that, everyone. Okay, everyone? Yes. What is this, Riva? Crackers, rocket. अच्छा, candy. I think मुझे लगा ये rocket है. दिवाली आ रही है ना? I think this firecracker. Okay, everyone. Yes, everyone.
मैं पहले दिया ट्रॉफी दी
है. Very okay. Now let's see what we have to do today. Everyone, today is Monday and date is 25th of October 2021, and our today's thought is a healthy outside starts from inside. A healthy outside starts from inside. It means अगर हमें बाहर से हेल्दी दिखना है, रहना है, तो उसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है? हमारे अंदर से होती है ना? अगर हमारा माइंड हेल्दी है, हमारा जो स्टमक हेल्दी है, तो हम बाहर से हेल्दी दिखेंगे, है ना? अच्छे से नींद करेंगे, अच्छा खाना खाएंगे, तभी तो हम हेल्दी दिखेंगे ना, वरना थके थके लगेंगे, है ना? So a healthy outside starts from inside, And our today's classwork is page number 13 and 19 in the textbook. Okay, and our homework is page number 63 in the worksheet 1, worksheet number 1. आज का जो हमारा होमवर्क है वो वर्कशीट नंबर 1 में है. ठीक है. So everyone, let's do our today's class work. Everyone. So let's see who is present in the meeting today. Today Agam, Anshi, Aradhya, Dhruti. Agam, Anshi, Aradhya, Dhruti. Jnani is not present today. Harshit.
Present.
Isham is not. Jia. Jianshu.
Present.
Yes, beta. Nitara, Niva. Pavitra, Purab. Pranshi, Niva, Vani. Deer. And Vian. Vaishnavi is not present yet. Okay, everyone. Jianshu, क्यों बेटा इतने टाइम से एब्सेंट थे? Why you are not join the class? Last few many days, बेटा. Okay, everyone. Let's see what we have to do today on the page number in our textbook. See, everyone. What is this? See, everyone. What is this? What are these, everyone? These are rings. These are rings. What is the color of these rings? Gray, yes. And what is the shape of this ring? Circle, yes. So they are all in the same shape and same color. These rings, all the rings are in the same shape and in the same color. Okay. Now look at this ring. Look at this ring. All are in the same color.
Different color.
Yes, all the rings are in different colors, but they are same in the shape. But they are same in the shape. Okay. Now look at the chalks. Look at the chalks, everyone. See here. All the chalks are same in color. All the is different. Which one is different here?
Green.
Yes. Here is green colored chalk is different in the color, but they all are same in the shape. All chalks are same in the shape, right? Okay. Now look at this. Here we have Montessori material to learn same and different, or we can say odd one out. Okay. Here we have Montessori material to learn same and different. Okay. For odd one out. Okay. Here we can see here all the shapes are in the same color. Yes. All are in same shape. All the shapes are in the same. No. Which one is odd one here? Which one is odd here? The last one is odd from this, all the shapes. All the shapes are in the diamond shape, but this one is odd from this. Okay, so this shape is odd. Likewise, we can see here another color. Okay, now see here everyone, all the color are same, but all are in different shapes. Yes, here which one is different? Which one is odd here? Yes, this square is odd here. Okay, now just wait a minute everyone. See everyone, here I am putting a crayon here. Okay. Now tell me who is odd here? Who is different here? Yes. Chalk sticks are. Chalk are different, right? So today we are going to learn the concept of same and different. Today we are going to learn the concept of same and different. Okay? Yes, we learn this concept in the starting. हम जब स्टार्टिंग में हमारी स्कूल शुरू हुई थी तब हमने ये कंसेप्ट सीखा था, राइट? सेम एंड डिफरेंट. वेट अ मिनट प्लीज. Wait a minute please. Please take out page number 13 and 19. I will come back in a minute.
कौन सी बुक में?
In the textbook beta. In the textbook.
छोटी वाली. मैम थोड़ी वाली या छोटी वाली?
Page number 19 बेटा.
बड़ी वाली या छोटी वाली?
Textbook, not workbook. I want textbook. Page number 13. Page number 13. Can you listen to me, all of you? Please take out page number 13 in your textbook. Please take out page number 13 in the textbook. This is your page number 13. Look over here everyone. This is your math textbook. And this is page number 13. Can you see it properly?
Yes,
everyone. Look at here. The heading of this concept is same and different. Same and different. So everyone, please write down here classwork and today's date.
Date for your mama. 25 October 2021.
Yes, very good.
2021.
Okay everyone, now please read the heading. Please read the heading everyone.
Same,
Space.
different.
Yes, same and different. Then after space. Space the sticker of the crown on the head of the girl wearing a different dress. Wearing a different dress. Right? Here 3 girls are here. See everyone. 3 girls are here. Right? All girls. Right? Look at the girls. They all wearing a dress. But here one girl has different dress. राइट इन दोनों में से आप देखो क्या देखने को मिलता है आपको इस गर्ल्स में. ऑल आर गर्ल्स बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम. यस बेटा देखो इसमें ये 2 गर्ल जो है दिस 2 गर्ल वेयरिंग अ सेम ड्रेस. कैन यू सी दिस? Can you compare this dress? Yes. These 2 girls. Yes. Here we are going to do comparison between their clothes. यहाँ पे हमें clothes के बीच में comparison करनी है. Right? So these 2 girls. Listen to me, Niva first. These 2 girls wearing same colored dress, but this girl is wearing different dress. So on the head of this girl we have to paste the sticker of crown. Now where is the sticker? Please turn back side. Please turn back side of the book. Last page. Please take out last page of the book. Here page number 13. Crown is here.
Ma'am, page number 13.
Yes, Pavitra.
मेरे में पीछे स्टिकर नहीं है.
क्यों नहीं है? Everyone has. सभी के बुक में होंगे बेटा.
मैम मेरे बुक में है.
हाँ, everyone has. Please remove this sticker.
मैम मेरे पास है.
Everyone has stickers in your book. Please remove the sticker carefully. Please remove the sticker carefully. Okay? And paste on the head of the girl wearing a different dress. Yes, ma'am?
तो वो पवित्रा ऊपर ड्रॉ कर देना कि कलर से तो चलेगा?
हाँ हाँ चलेगा मैम. इट्स ओके.
थैंक यू.
Okay everyone. So please paste a sticker. On the head of this girl, right? Because she is wearing different dress from to girl. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Now, see at the bottom of the page. Please see bottom of the page. What is the heading? Color. Color the fruit. Color the fruit. That are the same. Color the fruits that are the same. That are same. Here all are in fruit category. सारे जो है वो fruit है. So that's why they all are same. But they all are different by their color. Right? वो अपने अपने अलग अलग कलर से एक दूसरे के साथ डिफरेंट है ना? डिफरेंट है उन दोनों में, ऑड है. So which fruit has same color? Which fruits are in same color? Yes, these two apples are same in color. So we have to color in this. जो सेम कलर के फ्रूट है उसे हमें कलर करना है. So please color the same fruit. These two fruit are odd. These two fruits are odd. Okay? This is guava and this is mango. Okay? After that, if you complete this page, please open. Very good. Please open page number 19. If you finish page number 13, please open page number 19. Please open page number 19. 19 is coming after number 13. Right? 19 number जो है वो 13 के आफ्टर आता है या बिफोर? 19 is coming before 30 or after 30?
After.
Yes.
After.
19 number is coming after number 13. Not just after, but after. Right? Here we have picture. Please write down classwork and today's date. Please mention classwork and today's date.
25 October 2020.
Two house. Right? Complete the picture. See here. The pictures are divided in two parts. Right? These pictures are divided in two parts. So we have to find their parts and complete the picture, right? Here we have to find the other part of the given picture and complete with the help of matching. Okay, so first picture is of watermelon. First picture जो है किसका है? Watermelon. So we have to find another part of watermelon. Where it is? We have to find the other part of watermelon.
Man.
Yes, beta.
देखो.
Oh wow, very good. You did it? Very good.
Yes.
So here given dot is here, so please join with the dot. Okay. Next is shirt. Next is shirt. Very good, Tis. Vaishnavi, very good, beta. So we have to complete this part with another part. Yes. वेरी गुड. आप इसमें, हाँ, आप यहाँ पे कलर से भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? इस तरह से कलर से भी आप मैचिंग कर सकते हो, ताकि जो बीच में ये जो मिक्स हो गया है, यस, वेरी गुड रीवा, वो आप डिफरेंट कर सकते हो. Then this is the other part of kite. Plate and ball. Okay, everyone. So this is our today's activity, everyone. I hope you understand the concept of same and different. Okay. We will meet tomorrow now. For today, bye everyone. Namaskar all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Namaskar.
Bye, ma'am.
Do practice for diya decoration, everyone. आपने जो दिया बना के यहाँ पे रखा है, उसको डेकोरेशन करने की प्रैक्टिस करना, ठीक है?